This 2005 Keystone Laredo 28RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 31 feet 1 inch in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, water heater, microwave, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, slide-out, smoke detector, TV, LP detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.